What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I know this is a mess, but guess what? This is how it actually came in the packet. So I don't know if Refoss knows how to pack their things. To me, this is obviously too big for all of this to be in this little box. It only looked like 3 or 2 could fit in a box for it to close properly. So it's already unboxed. All right, so we have 4 outlet plugs right here. These are smart plugs. If you have been following my channel for some time now, you will know that I have reviewed smart plugs. So I did 2 reviews. I will put those in the description box. So I did 2 of those reviews. This will be the 3rd smart outlet review that I'll do. But the thing with this one is the company called Refoss. So let me straighten y'all up right here. So this is a Refoss. I do have the Refoss Smart Garage Door Opener. They do have other ones. The Genie one that I did review, I will be getting different ones for each floor since I have the different apps. So I will get the Genie ones. Subscribe if you want to see more of these smart plug content. All right, so with this one we have, all right, they are the US plugs. They are US plugs right there. Apple HomeKit. So you can use Siri, you can use Alexa, and you can use the Google Assistant. But I know the Apple lover is going to love this because they want to use Siri. Right here we have the input, all the blah 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 stuff, just in case you want to know. So 15 amps is the maximum load. Do not plug in anything else that uses over the 15 amp load. You may damage this thing. So don't put in no power tools basically that pulls a lot of power. This is regular 15 amp plugs. Okay, right here it says input 100 to 125 volts, which is 15 amps. It has the dimensions here. It's 2.7 the width and 1.5 depth, 1.5 height. The wireless, standard, blah 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 stuff, system requirements, smartphone, all that stuff is blah blah blah. So 7 things you need to know about the HomeKit. I am not going to read all this to y'all. No. Okay, so of course, like I said, this is the Refoss, and we already have the eHome Life app, which makes life easier for us. So I'm assuming we have to plug this in and go ahead and try to connect it Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and have some fun with that. I will have y'all on the screen record, and we going to look at this stuff work.